let me in. Come on. Right, here we are. There's lightning rounds. There's promos. Oh, we are so back, baby. Okay. Promos are kind of dead. These are just one of 5 footies player pick, no rating. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, is it going to be this? Is it going to be another week? This is right. This is a big test. 96 plus. Is it just going to be 96s? It's another long. Woo! Okay. And he's tradable. That's not a bad pull straight away. Joe Gomez might be a W pull straight away. Is this going to be a good pack opening? Don't gas me up. This could actually be a good pack opening. Or we've just been fondled with. And I mean, it's relaxed. I know it's only long lane.